Hello, my name is Rose and welcome to my channel called Dreamcatcher Creations, and I have a box that just came in, so I'm really excited to show you. So this came in today. Oh, it's my business cards. I thought it was my stamp. Okay, right on. Oh man, so I got two. Okay. So this is all my business cards. Okay. So my next purchase, I got $20 off. So this is, oh, I just dropped one. I'm gonna put this down in the box here. Oh wow, this is my new cards. I'm so excited. Oh wow. I'll just do a close-up on this. I thought it was my rubber stamp, but it was my business cards. Oh, this is so cool. So cool. So this is the front and the back. It looks so beautiful. Wow. See on top, Dreamcatcher Creations. The logo's DC Creations. Wow. I like the top of it here too. It's so cool. I know this is a quick video, but this is cool. I have like a large order of Dreamcatcher kits that I have to make this week, so this here came in very handy, my new business card. So thank you for watching me unbox this video. I was surprised. I thought it was my rubber stamp, but it's my business card, so this is so cool. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.